In the panel industry, ALUCOBOND is the best option for aluminum composite panels. They are long-lasting, attractive, and customizable, with flame resistance available upon request. However, why choose them over less expensive options? They have a unique function known as EasyFix. An inventive and economical way to install ALUCOBOND plus 4mm ACM on multi-story wood frame buildings is with EasyFix TM. Tight construction deadlines benefit greatly from this system's ability to streamline and expedite the installation procedure. Design comes in a range of contemporary color options and customized panel sizes. With a half-century of performance under its belt, it guarantees outstanding durability, long-term value, and compliance with fire safety regulations established by the International Building Code. The panels emit no volatile organic compounds on site, are entirely recyclable, and help achieve LEED certification. A special design is used by its system to attach these panels. By integrating two different types of folds, it offers an aesthetic reminiscent of conventional ACM systems. Aluminum composite material and clips or rails are needed for installation. Either a continuous rail system or short clips can be used to attach panels. The information supplied is purely conceptual in nature. A network of skilled fabricators and installers manages the actual design, panel system, fabrication, and installation. There are no guarantees offered by 3A Composites USA, either explicit or implicit. Variations are expected depending on the particulars of the project and the fabrication techniques used. The details are generic and not to scale. Let's discuss building supplies, particularly Max Frank's Formwork system. Major projects completed by this company include a recycling plant in Kamar, Sweden, and a railroad station in Bern, Switzerland. They work with cutting-edge technology. Their Pecafil, which is available in two forms, is one example. Ideal for strip foundations is the traditional version. Because of its versatility, they are utilized for a variety of construction applications, but are most commonly employed for creating pit sheeting, ribbed slabs, and foundations. Additionally, the translucent form functions as a dust, weather, and protection screen. It is lightweight and comes in several thicknesses, making installation and transportation simple. Simple tools can be used on-site to shorten and modify these components, and preformed parts are also offered. Permanent formwork is groundwater neutral and recyclable, and also it's environmentally friendly. It also improves productivity, reduces labor intensity, and saves time in the construction process. For experts in contemporary construction, it is a tried and true answer. They are made of steel mesh and come in a range of sheet and strip sizes to suit different requirements. Made of non-toxic hydrocarbons, heat-shrunk polyethylene gives it its characteristic yellow outer coat. For in-ground construction, such as pile caps and ground beams, it substitutes traditional timber or steel shuttering, guaranteeing quick and precise formwork installation. This product is available in widths ranging from 600 to 1800 millimeters and fixed lengths of 2250 millimeters. The grid is 150 by 75 millimeters. For gutter and curb work, this formwork works wonderfully. First of its kind, it can increase output by up to 32%. Additionally, it uses 25% less material. 28 distinct formwork profiles and 29 height-adjustable posts are yours for $4,800. It is effective and cost-effective to lay concrete paving stones using machines and tools. Nevertheless, installing gutters or curbs frequently necessitates improvisation and unique concrete foundation constructions, which takes time. Machine-laying gutter stones are made possible by the user-inputted Optimus formwork technology, which also saves time and materials. The Optimus formwork system makes it affordable and of excellent quality to create curbstone foundations. Measuring the cord height on the frost protection layer is the first step in the procedure. aluminum formwork profiles may be set up on both sides with supports in a matter of minutes. They come in lengths of 0.50, 1.25, and 3.0 meters. For exact leveling, these supports can be raised or lowered in height. Concrete is poured into the formwork once it has been put up. After the subgrade is installed, the formwork is set up for gutter foundations. The concrete planer is used to pour and level concrete. The system has a number of advantages. It results in huge time savings by drastically cutting down on task completion times. It also utilizes up to 25% less material, which results in significant material savings. Let's examine a scenario from the US, where the building sector is a major player. Approximately 15.55 million residences were under construction in the nation as of September 2021. Because the infrastructure requires maintenance as well, American engineers have devised innovative techniques to expedite building without sacrificing quality. For instance, a system with a working width of 4 to 22 feet, depending on the type, can be installed on a track or wheel loader similar to a bobcat. Dragon Screed is a concrete screed that, by lowering physical strain and raising efficiency, increases productivity for small crews working on huge projects. It requires 50% less labor to grade gravel and screed concrete when attached to a skid steer or telehandler. This speeds up project completion by enabling workers to pour twice as much concrete, eliminating the requirement for physical material hauling. The machine's floats and vibrating screed bar guarantee a smoother finish with less work, enabling teams to oversee several jobs at once. Contractors are able to secure more projects, finish them more quickly, and complete more jobs annually because to this efficiency. Dragon Screed saves curing time and removes the need for overnight labor by pouring at low slumps. Additionally, the technique makes it possible for contractors to benefit from brief weather windows, which greatly increases flat work project profitability. When projects are finished more rapidly, crews may go on to the next job more quickly and make more money all season long. With just 200 yards of concrete poured, Dragon Screed can pay for itself since it ensures accurate subgrade calculations and reduces material waste. The Porotherm ceramic blocks come next. Anything from a tiny private home to a multi-story residential complex can be constructed with them. Perlite, a volcanic rock, is found inside the crevices of these slabs. The dimensions of each block are 10 by 12 by 10 inches, and their shape facilitates the construction of intricate details like window apertures. These bricks offer superior thermal insulation over standard bricks. Clay bricks are among the oldest and most natural building materials because they are made of earth, water, fire, and air. Bricks are a preferred building material in Austria because of their strength, affordability, and superior heat retention. Sturdiness and worth bricks are a prudent investment because they guarantee continuous quality and longevity. They require little upkeep and retain a high resale value because they show negligible shape variations under different circumstances. Insulation against heat and sound. Because of their ability to store heat, brick walls shield against summer heat waves and slow down winter cold, resulting in a comfortable interior temperature and lower heating expenses. Additionally, they provide superior sound absorption, isolating residents from disturbances. Porotherm, an eco-friendly brick system that is perfect for energy-efficient exterior restorations. Its sturdy bricks with mineral wool insulation within guarantee a simple and secure installation. It is installed using thin bed mortar or dry fix glue, which eliminates problems like loose plaster, in contrast to other insulation systems. For storm drains and drainage, concrete blocks are an excellent option. D400 concrete is one choice that is good for parks, pedestrian spaces, and similar locations. Since they are available in a variety of colors, you can pair them with paving tiles from the same manufacturer to create a chic and useful design. This vibratory technique is semi-dry for making these blocks. The requirement for an easy-to-use, reasonably priced surface water drainage system has resulted in the creation of a solution that combines the benefits of linear drainage with the long-lasting qualities of premium concrete. This innovation successfully eliminates the risk of surface water flooding and improves safety by streamlining the design and installation processes and lowering maintenance requirements. The Drex's Pave Drain comes in a choice of finishes to match a number of well-liked paving options, so you don't have to sacrifice your project's visual appeal in order to have efficient drainage. This system offers an affordable, aesthetically beautiful drainage solution that blends in perfectly with your design. With a load rating of up to D400, the drain is appropriate for a range of public realm developments, public roads, carriageways, and motorways excluded. Flexibility and aesthetics are given first priority in its design. Econo-Slab formwork is preferred by contractors for a number of reasons. Its pre-made anchor bolt templates facilitate an easier installation process. In comparison to conventional techniques, site preparation is easier. Additionally, it uses a unique concrete mix that eliminates the need for expansion joints. For every project, the foundation provides accurate, pre-engineered technology and structural perfection. High-quality standards of manufacture and compliance with national, provincial, and municipal building requirements guarantee simple installation, quick construction, and timely project completion. The solution dramatically lowers labor and costs by including galvalume forms, threaded rebar, insulation, fasteners, bolts, stamped engineering drawings, and an installation handbook. With little site trash and no need for form stripping, it is eco-friendly. The product eliminates the need for considerable excavation. Frost walls and footings eliminate the need for pouring and setup delays, which further reduces project timeframes and saves money and time. The system is a wonderful asset for custom-designed metal buildings, which are today more available and diversified than ever. President of Metal Building Services, Graham Bradley, lists its many benefits. Although MBSL has been delivering pre-engineered steel buildings to customers all over the world for the past 6 years, the inclusion of the patented foundation system improves their product line for house builders, manufacturers, building contractors, and do-it-yourselfers. By solely removing organic waste and compacting gravel, it expedites site preparation by obviating the requirement for trenching and excavation for frost walls and footings. Are you familiar with Durisol? The main ingredients of this building material are wood chips, Portland cement, and a few mineral additions. Durisol blocks, according to one maker, combine the greatest qualities of cement and wood. They offer excellent heat and sound insulation and are lightweight. The capacity of the production plant determines the size and shape. Weighs 14 kilograms and can withstand occasional hammering and other mechanical blows. The product is an environmentally friendly building material that is mostly composed of wood that has been processed using a unique technique. As a result, fittings that are utilized in noise barriers and home construction are entirely recyclable. The fittings combine the advantages of wood, insulation, and concrete strength by being piled dry, filled with concrete, and perhaps insulated. Because of its adaptability and durability, Durisol is frequently utilized in garden architecture. These fixtures are mostly made of wood, which is a renewable resource. Softwood offcuts are processed with little energy use and without burning, as they cannot be used elsewhere. In the winter, this procedure helps warm industrial halls by releasing heat. To produce the fittings, mineralized wood chips are combined with cement and water. They don't require pallets for shipping and are recyclable. You can add insulating materials such as mineral wool or polystyrene before pouring concrete into the fittings. Durisol creates a special system that is advantageous to the environment, health, time, and money by combining the best qualities of its components with the removal of their drawbacks. On the Hawaiian island of Kauai, there was the longest downpour on record. For 247 days, from August 27th, 1993 to April 30th, 1994, there was non-stop rain. Even while this is extremely exceptional, future rain events could become more regular and powerful due to global warming. In order to avoid flooding and water damage, it could be prudent to upgrade drainage systems. Rainwater damage can be avoided by using the creative AmerimaxStealthFlow low-profile downspout extension kit, which is made to redirect water away from foundation and house. Digging is not necessary because to its low-profile design, which guarantees an unobtrusive look, and may be simply covered with mulch, straw, or stones. It is possible to use this extension kit with both 2" by 3" and 3" by 4". Water is efficiently diverted away from your foundation by the kit, which has an extensible total length of 46 inches. It is made of sturdy resin to withstand outdoor elements, and works with all common residential downspouts. A 24-inch extension, model 4621, is offered for extra length, and the model 4631's adjustable elbow enables accurate water redirection around corners and landscaping. Without the need of glue or tar, Trenches is a modular brick slip cladding solution. It may be put up to 5 times faster than comparable goods and is non-flammable. It is simple to install by one person, even in inclement weather, and there are no height restrictions. It is a modular brick slip cladding system that comes pre-assembled. To manufacture standard factory-assembled panel modules, it uses brick slips cut from standard clay facing units that are fixed into a stainless steel carrier. Facing units, corners, reveals, soffits, and unique embellishments are some of these modules. Their purpose is to resemble a conventional brick facade on the construction site. By being fixed to a rain screen frame structure, Stelling Properties has benefited greatly from the system, which has made it possible to apply premium brick facades directly onto volumetric modules at their off-site production facility in Micheldever. Months instead of weeks have passed since early cooperation with ACS and their engineering solutions to deliver the facade on site. Many bond patterns and brick features, including soldier bond, stack bond, English bond, Flemish bond, sawtooth bond, stepped headers, and stretchers, can be used with the system. Architectural brick features are possible with feature panels since they are factory assembled and fitted on site in a manner similar to regular units, negating the requirement for highly skilled bricklayers. Because it is created and produced in a controlled environment off-site, it has fewer flaws and subpar construction. It eliminates brickwork from the essential path of the construction schedule, since it can be erected in any weather or on any type of site. Ever wondered what happens to the water when it rains? Water may wind up in KS Bluebox containers in various cities. These sturdy blue constructions have a weight of up to 2,500 kilograms and a capacity of 50,000 liters of water. When necessary, these smaller modules can progressively release water to the earth. The KS Bluebox is now more than simply a storage unit, thanks to this feature. It is an essential component of the city's irrigation system. It is possible to connect many box containers together in regions with high rainfall. Through the usage of this link, the water can be put through an advanced filtration system to guarantee that it is safe to use and clean. The system's capabilities can also be increased by adding a unique unit for flushing and inspection. The box has an inventive and useful design. These containers aid in the effective management of water resources by collecting rainfall and releasing it gradually. By collecting excess rainwater, this technique not only keeps areas from flooding, but also ensures a consistent supply of water for cultivation during arid spells. The container's flexible scalability, due to their modular construction, makes them appropriate for both local and large urban areas. Furthermore, the state-of-the-art filtration technology guarantees that the water that is stored is clean and devoid of impurities. This is especially crucial in urban areas since contaminants from the air and surfaces can be absorbed by rainwater. After additional treatment, the water is suitable for drinking and other applications, such as irrigation, thanks to the purification system's assistance in removing these contaminants. The building sector in China operates with great efficiency. They constructed a 10-story structure in June 2021 in just 29 hours. In Europe and China, underfloor heating panels are often used for speedy installations. These panels are renowned for their adaptability, robustness, and range of possibilities for many applications. The incredibly thin, 2 to 3 centimeters tall dry underfloor heating system successfully lowers floor height. It is more energy efficient and perfect for low-temperature air heat pumps, since its surface temperature is 3 to 4 degrees Celsius, greater than that of typical wet floor heating. The system provides quick and flexible on and off control, heating up in about 30 minutes. Its lightweight form makes it ideal for both new construction and renovations of existing homes. High compressive XPS boards with grooves for flexible piping make up ALUXPS 300. Because of the 0.1 mm aluminum foil laminate on these boards, the floor can be heated uniformly and rapidly in 30 minutes, much faster than with typical wet heating. It is simple to install system may be utilized right away, without waiting for the screed to dry, making it perfect for both new construction and renovations. With its high compressive XPS boards and 0.1 mm aluminum foil for superior heat conductivity, the ALUXPS 300T is comparable to the ALUXPS 300. High-density EPS panels with a compressive strength of up to 400 kPa are available in ALUEPS 400. The floor height is reduced by the thin 20 mm panels, and flexible plumbing is made possible by their end radius design. These panels have ideal thermal conductivity. They heat the floor in just few minutes and keep it at a temperature that is 3 to 4 degrees Celsius higher than with conventional wet heating. For low-temperature air heat pumps, this makes them extremely efficient. Simple connections such as a rubber hose, a stainless steel band, and a PVC sleeve can be used to improve these systems with ease. It is incredibly efficient and installs without the need for mortar, gaskets, resins, or other components. In addition, the firm provides sizes in the range of 5 to 61 centimeters. A high-performing, reasonably priced, and simple to install service connection is the Inserta T. The fitting comes with a stainless steel band, rubber sleeve, and PVC hub. It provides an air-testable and waterproof seal, guaranteeing excellent performance. The classic lateral connection from it is adaptable to different project requirements, which makes it perfect for sanitary sewer applications. Regardless of the manufacturer, it offers a leak-proof service connection for wastewater and stormwater pipe systems that is compatible with all known pipe types. There are 3 variations of the Inserta T available: one-fit, multi-fit, and traditional. With the ability to connect to any modern solid wall, profile, closed profile, and corrugated pipes, it provides the widest choice of lateral connections available anywhere in the world, offering unparalleled performance. All of the current drainage materials and the largest range of sizes in the market are compatible with Inserta T. It can connect to service laterals that are 2 inches to 24 inches in diameter. These top-notch connections are extremely robust, air-testable, and waterproof. This material can be used to soundproof music studios, cafes, and clubs. It is appropriate for walls and pipes because it contains polymers. a unique membrane, and acoustic felt. 2 individuals can easily install it because it is self-adhesive. The material is supplied in rolls of 16.4 by 3.3 feet with a thickness of roughly 0.7 inches. A thin, cutting-edge sound insulation made especially for light walls is called InsulMass Bi+18. It solves 2 important acoustic principles: absorption and insulation, by combining recycled acoustic felt with a heavy mass. It is a very potent combination that enhances acoustic performance in a variety of contexts. The product can be used in a multitude of ways. Any wall, including party walls where better acoustic performance is sought, can use it. Because of its adaptability, it's a great material to wrap around sanitary landfills and provide sound insulation in a variety of settings. Because of the product's self-adhesive side, installation is quick and easy. Its efficacy is further increased by the lateral overhang and the separately sold Insultape DB90, which guarantee ideal sealing at the joints. The product is made up of recycled acoustic felt and recycled polymers that have been loaded with high-density mineral elements. Excellent performance in sound absorption and insulation is guaranteed by this formulation. It works well in temperatures between 10 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. Thus, it can be used in a variety of climatic settings. Perry is a well-known and inventive formwork company with a strong global presence. A product of note is the Formwork system. This adaptable system, which can hold slabs up to 1 meter thick, is perfect for both industrial and residential buildings. It is possible to disassemble it in as little as 24 hours, depending on the project and type of concrete. It is lightweight and manageable because it is made of aluminum. For heavier slabs, residential and commercial construction is a great fit for SKYDECK. A variety of accessories are offered for markets with strict safety regulations. Operations are sped up by its methodical assembly and lightweight components. The early striking drophead system makes transportation easier and increases mobility by reducing the amount of material needed on site and the requirement for fewer props. The goal is to increase the speed, safety, and efficiency of building and to deliver exceptional service. They are a cutting-edge family business that specializes in formwork and scaffolding systems and has a distinct corporate culture. Slab thicknesses up to 42 centimeters in regular use and up to 109 centimeters with main beams are supported by the panel slab formwork. Just 0.029 props are needed for every square foot. For many people, this unusual glass block window system evokes memories. Because of its flexibility, you can install accessories like a window leaf, ventilation, and exhaust hood. With a 5-step guide, even beginners can install it easily. It's recommended by the manufacturer for use in basements and kitchens. Simple, translucent glass blocks are used as walls or windows in glass block windows. They are available in a variety of finishes and can be hollow or solid. Glass block windows are easy to achieve the proper fit even if your size isn't in stock because they can be easily adjusted to fit any window size. Measure the window opening as though the frame were already gone to make sure your new window fits correctly. Your glass block window's size should be half to 2 inches larger than the rough opening. Installation mortar will be placed in this additional area. First, take out the window sash and then bend or cut the frame. If necessary, remove any outdated mortar sill. Make sure the new window is plumb and level by placing it on 2 wood shims. Add 2 more shims to the top to secure it. Verify that the vent latch on windows with vents is located inside the top. Follow the directions on the packaging to mix the mortar. To improve the mortar's grip when putting into wood frames, fasten wall ties into the frame before inserting the window. After removing the mortar tool from the glass block's outer face by about 1 to 4 inch, caulk should be applied between the glass block and the wood frame. University of York constructed a brand new dorm for students in the UK. They required a large number of rooms to accommodate everyone. The finished project included 1480 rooms total, distributed among 18 buildings, and cost roughly £150 million. They engaged qualified experts for this significant project. The largest producer and supplier of precast concrete goods in the UK is McCann. When it comes to creating, supplying and delivering these solid solutions, they are market leaders. Alnwick, Biley, Cadeby, Drakelow, Ellistown, Grantham, Lisnaskia, Littleport, Lydney, Magherafelt, Telford, and Weston Underwood are the locations of the company's contemporary plants. To assure high-quality products, these plants are managed by qualified people and utilize the newest technology. The company is able to service the whole UK and Ireland due to the placement of these factories. The company provides a range of European standard precast concrete building components, including wall copings, pier caps, lintels, padstones, and sills. Water management, drainage, tunnels, shafts, building products, and architectural and structural products are just a few of the many solutions they offer from their 12 UK facilities. McCann tailors its solutions to fit the demands of particular projects. Quality and dependability are essential to the success of the company. In an effort to surpass client expectations, they constantly create and enhance their solutions. They are dedicated to fostering trust with stakeholders by upholding the highest standards of honesty and corporate governance. Weary of cutting the grass? Think about putting up fake grass. It's well liked and practical. For upkeep, natural lawns require a lot of water and fuel. For instance, experts advise applying 6.3 to 10.6 gallons of water per 11 square feet during the first week following planting. Artificial lawns are a great substitute for genuine grass, particularly in places where it is not possible to establish and maintain a lawn. Any place can benefit from the cozy, comforting touch that comes with the lush appearance of lawn grass. But keeping up a natural grass may be difficult and labor-intensive, especially if it covers a big area. For this reason, more individuals are choosing artificial turf because it requires far less maintenance. Artificial and genuine lawns can be difficult to tell between at first, grass due to their realistic appearance. Artificial turf is frequently utilized in a variety of locations, such as terraces, stadiums, kids' play spaces, poolside areas, and dark areas. The longevity of artificial turf in high-traffic locations is one of its main benefits. It also doesn't need any care and isn't impacted by sunshine or temperature changes. Professional gardeners can lay it effectively, and it is also inexpensive and simple to install. Artificial grass is a good option for people who want to protect their backyards from drought, cover over patches of ungrowing grass, or just save themselves the trouble of having to mow their lawn. There are certain disadvantages to take into account, even while it may be nice to have a perfectly manicured lawn without any need for fertilizer, watering, or mowing. FIX² GT makes it simple to create advertising. You can complete difficult tasks in just 30 minutes with this waterproof adhesive, since it hardens 8 times faster than other brands. It is resistant to some chemicals and severe weather, and it stops vibrations. It is compatible with numerous materials, including MDF, brick, stone, and glass. This hybrid-based mounting adhesive is useful in scenarios requiring quick bonding, since it cures quickly and has a high strength. About 30 minutes after application, a strong link can be formed, and it takes about 3 hours for the bond to achieve its maximum strength. In addition to its resistance to weather, UV rays, and diluted chemicals, the bond also dampens vibrations. This glue may be loaded in as little as 30 minutes and dries 8 times faster than conventional mounting adhesives. It comes with 2 applicators, one for heavy and huge elements, and one with a thin nozzle for precise application. The glue is ideal for both interior and exterior use, and it may be applied to damp substrates. It is also low in volatile organic compounds and environmentally benign, lacking in silicones, solvents, or isocyanates. It is also neutral, so the joint can be coated and it won't corrode metal or harm delicate surfaces. The glue is technically white, and it takes 10 minutes to rectify and 3 hours to fully cure. After curing, it resists temperatures between -30 degrees Celsius and +90 degrees Celsius. It can be applied in the range of +5 degrees Celsius to +30 degrees Celsius. For a variety of construction projects, including repairing bridges, updating power plants, and reconstructing stations and airports, the QuikDeck system is an adaptable instrument. It is a suspended scaffolding system that may be modified to meet the specific requirements of any project. Customers can select the shape and size according to the system's inventors, and it can support structures up to 3,000 square meters. The company is one of the top global providers of safety technologies, scaffolding, and formwork, and have been providing solutions with exceptional quality, great flexibility, and high cost effectiveness to the construction sector since 1929. Joining the global brand Safway Group gives you access to all the benefits of a global network with 360 locations and 40,000 workers. High-performance suspended access systems like it may be swiftly put up and assembled to nearly any size or shape. Working continuously is made possible, for example, during bridge improvements. Generally speaking, there is no need for traffic stops on or beneath bridges. Experts in Enviromesh construction construct Gabion walls, which are frames packed with loose materials such as boulders or crushed stone. These blocks can be used to make fences, retaining walls, or interesting outdoor decor. They work on all kinds of projects, including big ones. For instance, 2,000 cubic meters of welded Gabion and 18 layers of geogrid were employed in one project. One of the company's offerings is a thorough internal desktop design service run by knowledgeable team members. The company produces designs that adhere to current standards and, upon request and with consent, provide designs covered by professional indemnity insurance, offering a large selection of rock netting, mattresses, double twist woven and welded mesh gabions, and auxiliary products. In order to meet the unique demands of each project, the company offers both standard and custom-produced items that adhere to global standards. When applicable, our BBA-certified goods satisfy the standards for general building rules, roads, and bridges. They are a one-stop shop for all Gabion needs, because they also provide installation packages that go well with design and supply services, as well as technical sales support at client offices and on-site. Their areas of expertise include gardens, architecture, retaining walls, and erosion management. The company's core values are technical and administrative quality and service, as well as product knowledge and engineering competence. Because of commitment, it has a solid foundation of recurring business from the UK and Ireland.